how you can make your first $10,000 with Clickbank affiliate marketing or any other network out there. So in this short but to the point video, you're going to discover exactly how you can go from $0 to making $10,000 in 30 days or less with Facebook ads and Google ads. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, this is one of the affiliate networks over here, and you see this is daily payouts, right? So you can see 200 euros, right, 100 euros, 118 euros, and again you see all these commissions, right? So all these commissions are coming in daily, which is low ticket affiliate marketing, right? So what it means is that I'm promoting offers like in weight loss, diabetes, manifestation, digital products, info products basically, right? And those products tend to have a really great upsell take rate. So average order value is really high, right? So that's why I can make, as you can see, $200, $300 or more per single commission. So let's go straight into it, how you can replicate this for yourself, okay? Because let's be honest, right? If you could make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing or any other network, you would have already done it, right? You would have already been making $10,000 to $20,000 per month, right? So the reason why you're not making this kind of money is because in this video I'm going to show you you're buying outdated courses, the things that get you shut down by affiliate networks. You're buying products that don't deliver. So basically something that's not really working. There's always some puzzle that's missing from that whole right image. You want to create an image, you want to make $10,000 or $5,000, I don't know, or your first €1,000 in a month. I don't know what your goal is, right? But something is missing. There is the puzzle that's missing to this whole story. That's why you cannot make it, right? Because if you could make 10,000, you would not be watching this video because you would already done it, right? So there are many things that's missing, and I'm going to show exactly in this video what is missing, all right? So what is the key to these ads? What is the key to making Facebook or Google ads or any ads work? It's first of all understanding what is the intent of the network, right? Facebook, TikTok, Instagram are all social media platforms. So basically it's what's working on those platforms will not work on Google, right? Because let's be honest, it's social media, so it's social platform, and your ads have to be different, tend to be different, right? Your audience are not responding, are not converting to the same message like they are on Google, because Google, the buyer's intent is really high. People go on Google to look for the solutions to the pains and problems every single day, right? So they see your text ad, there is the message to the market match, it resonates with the correct audience, and then you get a sale, right? But there is a lot more to it. Let me show you. So you see, the key is to match the language patterns, to match the mind states of certain customer segments, right? Have you ever bought any other course before on about affiliate marketing? Have you ever lost some money? I guess you did, right? If you're watching this video, maybe you've done it before, right? Almost all of them, 99.9% of all the courses on Clickbank or these gurus are actually outdated programs that does not work anymore. It used to work a few years ago, right? People were making millions, but right now it doesn't work because not only the security, but also the policy of Google, YouTube, and Facebook is going up, right? So cost per click can also go up. But if you're smart, and I know you are because you're watching this video, you will realize quickly that you can drop the cost per click significantly lower if you know what kind of message to put in your ads. Very important. When you're selling or to females, to women, on males, you have to use different language patterns, right? So this is why you pay $3,000 to $5,000 to some guru on Clickbank, right? If some course that's very well known, has a big fame on YouTube, you buy it and then you realize you did not make any money. And it's not your fault, right? Because you're buying outdated courses, the stuff doesn't work, they're not going into depth about psychology, sociology of actually the framework and structure of ads, how to make ads work and why they work. Very important thing. No one's teaching that, right? Selling to ego, for example, selling to like in survival space, survival niche, right? What is the main core emotion of that spectrum? It's fear, right? Anxiety, especially in survival space. Then you have dating, relationships, very huge niche. You can make a lot of money if you know in men's dating space, females dating, dog training. I mean, there is so many core emotions to the market, and if you know how to work with it, you can make a tons of money. But because you don't know what you don't know, right, you cannot get results. As I said before, right, as I mentioned, if you could make $5,000 to $10,000 a month, you would have already done it. But you're here watching this video right now, right? Because you tried all other things. You tried buying courses, you trying SEO, you tried to run ads, and you failed. You didn't get results because there is something missing. You have to understand there are timelines, there are structures to this game, right? What you actually, let me show you actually what you need if you want to make $10,000 per month, right? You have to understand emotional states. We have low emotional states and high emotional states, right? So people who buy Clickbank products watch VSLs, webinars for 45 minutes before they buy weight loss supplement. Those are in the low emotional states. Those are depressed, stressed, broke, I don't know, overweight. They are in the low emotional states. So you have to use different language, a different approach. But no one is teaching you that, I understand. Then you have high emotional states, people who have a lot of money, who will buy high value, who will get someone to help them, coach them, mentor them along the way because they understand the value of time over money, right? So mostly people over 45 years old in USA, Canada, Australia. And then what you have to understand is this. Let me show you, right? So you will understand. If you want to make, let's say, $10,000 per month, how much is that per day? Let's break it down. Per month, per day, you have to make, let's say, let's be around numbers, right? Let's say you have to make over, let's say, $330 per day. Okay, $330 per day. All right, now you know the math. Now, in order to make $330 per day, what you have to do? You can go on Clickbank, you can choose a product that's paying $500 or $1,000, right? And you make 2 or 3 sales per week, you are making $10,000 per month. Another option is for low ticket instant buyers, where you don't have to show your face or anything like that, is basically to promote weight loss supplements, to promote high quality info products in manifestation, self-help, dating, any other space, survival, solar panel, right? Lead gen. So we have the number over here. Now, what else you need? Okay, now you know the product. Now what you need to have a website. Now this website needs to be really well done. Okay, this is not just one ClickFunnels page without any content to it. What I love to use is quiz funnels. Why quiz funnels? Because they are functional. You see, there are many people who are getting 10 to 20 million clicks per month to weight loss funnels, basically quiz funnels. And they tend to do really well if you do them well. Most people just stick something to the wall and hope it sticks, right? They just throw something up. Are you male, female? Just basic questions. And the whole point, and I'm showing this to my clients and students, the whole point of having a quiz funnel is to move person from mindlessly scrolling on their Facebook, right, to getting their attention, to clicking on your Facebook ad, going through quiz funnel. And what's happening, my friend watching this video right now, what's happening? When you go to this functional quiz funnels that I'm building with you, you get into the problem state. You realize, heck, I have a problem, right? I'm going to get a cancer, diabetes, or I have to lose weight. I'm fat, I'm overweight, right? That's what's happening in your mind when you're going through functional quiz funnel. And once you're at the end of the funnel, what's happening at the end? At the end, if it's done right, you get into the solution state. You realize you need a solution, and you'll see, okay, this is the solution. This weight loss supplement is going to work for me. Do you understand now how this works? You see? But no, you will waste time. No, you will not pay to someone to help you. You will not pay someone to coach you. You will not pay someone to guide you through over the Zoom or over the Zoom call, over the shoulder, so you can watch them as they're helping you. You will not do that. Why? Because maybe you're not in the state that you want to make something happen, that you really seriously are ready to do something for yourself to make over $10,000 per month, right? So this is what you need, okay? It's not that easy, it's not that hard. It's easy once you understand, it's simple once you understand, okay? So functional quiz, let's say quiz funnel, okay? Now you don't have to buy expensive ClickFunnels, $300 per month software. Lots of these guys are selling you BS, right? Because they're just making affiliate commissions off of you. When you're inside the course, they upsell you more and more for $5,000, $10,000, right? But of course, if it works for you, if it gets you results, yeah, of course, it's worth it, right? I would pay someone $20,000 per year when it works really well. Okay, so we have this. Now Facebook ads or Google ads, how much you have to spend? My personal suggestion is $25 per day per one ad campaign. Okay, let's say CBO campaign, right? Let's say conversions. You're not looking for traffic, you're looking for sales. So my personal rule is I will spend, let's say, $50 in 2 days, and if I don't get my money back in 2 days, or like for example break even and make some profit in first 2 days of running ads, I have not spent more money. Many more gurus are telling you, bros, do more split testing. Split testing, you know what is split testing? It's bullshit. It doesn't work. Split testing is just guessing. It's a guesswork because you don't know what you don't know, right? You don't know who is the audience. It's a headline wrong. It's landing page wrong. It's my ad copy wrong. What is wrong, right? Remember, they're not telling you there is so many more things to Facebook ads or any ads. Okay, structure, colors you're using, positive, negative. All this is important. All this matters. Not only being curious, because most of gurus are telling you make weird images. And you can see this on Facebook ad library, right? You can see many people doing some stupid ads, weird images that the gurus in some courses are telling you on Clickbank, right? But you only get curiosity clicks, you know, people who are curious to see what's on your landing page, but then they don't buy. Then they realize it's nothing, they don't buy. Okay, so you have to attract the right people, the buyers, okay? The top of the top 1% of the buyers, all right? So if you really want to have these results, if you really want to make it happen, what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. So after you go over here somewhere below or up to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips, you have links below in the description. So naturally what you want to do is you can connect with me, okay? And if you're fit, if you have some money to invest, if you have at least, I don't know, from $1,000 to $6,000 or more, whatever, right? If you're really serious to take this serious, and I think you are because you're watching this video right now, right? If you really want to get results, then yeah, let me know, okay? You can reach me on my WhatsApp. Yeah, I give you my number. Another thing, right? Most of the gurus, you're paying them 10,000 euros. You're paying them $20,000 for coaching. They don't even give you their phone number, their cell number. Is it true or not? True or true, right? So I'm giving you my personal number. I'm giving you my Instagram account. You can follow me there or DM me there. You can send me a message on Facebook or email me, right? So everything is in the description below this video, right? So if you want to get results with affiliate marketing and seriously having sustainable, I'm talking about sustainable results. I'm not saying about million per month, okay? I'm just saying $10,000 to $20,000 per month or something like that, where you can actually do it without being stressed, right? Without having to work like a dog 24/7, all right? So basically, if you have 3 to 5 hours per week, this is doable for you, okay? And then you can go and scale from that, all right? So again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, right? So let me know after watching. You can connect with me. Links are below.